You're not gonna believe it. My body is making weird noises. What do you mean what I mean? Oh, come on. Remember? Right? You can hear it, remember? Oh my gosh. Okay. Glad you can still hear it, but okay, so remember how I could like rock and it would make that noise? See, I told you. And now, look at this one. Isn't that crazy? And then, like, yeah, I never knew. Oh my gosh. Okay, see, isn't that weird? Okay, so these poops sound different than this one. Crazy, right? And then when I tickle, yeah, insane. I know, but I'm glad I'm not going insane in the membrane. And then if I just like touch my nose, you hear that pop sound too? Crazy. I don't know. I feel like I should be like researched or something. It's so crazy, right? Oh, so crazy. I'm glad that like I can tell you about this. I didn't know who else I should tell. But I don't know, like, should I go get like researched on why my body's making these noises? Oh, we'll see. Thanks for being such a great friend.